Hello, thanks for watching my new video. I've updated my application. It still uses Excel, but now it uses Microsoft Forms instead of the straight Excel form. And this is the phone copy tab, like you've seen before in the Excel program, which will convert from the call manager one phone model to another phone model. Such as I bring up my test branch, TBR, search by device pool, and pull from the call manager all these phones from this particular branch, this test branch. Notice they're all 7900 phones. Want to do convert all these 7900 phones to an 8841 phone. I also want to add users to these two phones, the Jane and Bob Doe. So I'm going to first select the Jane Doe phone and then pull some more information about the Jane Doe phone. And once I want to convert it to 8841. And I forgot to select my MAC address. The MAC address is on here. I want to do this again. The MAC addresses on here are actually pulled in from the Excel form. And I actually load a bunch of MAC addresses here, what you get from a box of Cisco phones. This just emulates those, it's not real actual numbers. So now that I have a proper MAC address selected and I put in proper MAC address in here, you can also manually put one in here if you needed to. And this is shown up as a sign-on because it's saying, hey, there's no user listed on here. So I wanted to search for users. This is also going to pull from the call manager. And this is going to be the Jane Doe. I'm going to select Jane Doe, and now it fills in that space. And now I'm ready to create that phone. And see the phone and user status lights went green because it made changes to both of them. It added the phone to the user. And I select the Bob Doe phone. And 841. Also want to add user John Doe to this one. No John and Bob, but that's what we're doing. And then I'm going to create that phone. Status lights again go green. Now, may ask what happens if you have an error on the call manager side. I'm going to create this phone a second time. And it comes up an error from the call manager that said, hey, you're inserting a duplicate role. In other words, this MAC address already exists. Hit OK, and the status lights goes red to show this phone was not actually created. The rest of these phones, you just need to quickly convert all these phones to 8800 phones. You don't need to add a user to them. What we can do, there's an auto preview button up here. So I'm going to select 8841, and I'll make them all in the 8841s. I've selected this phone, I hit the phone button, it loads everything up automatically over here. So then all I have to do is hit the create button. Go next one, create button. Next one, create button. You notice it also adds them through these MAC addresses also, so it gets a new MAC address every time. So then I can very quickly convert a bunch of phones to a different model. I can also convert them to different types. Let's say Bob needed a mobile phone. He needs one for his bot, for his, let's see, let's bring in Bob first. And he needs a new mobile phone for his Android. So click the mobile button here. It shows this is the information and it says, hey, there's no username on it. We do want to add him on there. So now we add him on there. Now it shows the other lines are all amber because it's letting you know that you can only convert one line on here. So there's any other lines on here not going to add it on there. And also as a note, this tab shows lines 1 and 2. There's also 2 more invisible tabs here. In case there's lines 3 or 4, I have a new tab here for that. Or if there's line 5, I'll have a new tab for line 5. I'll hit the create Android. Now it created an Android phone, and it changed both the phone and the user. Now, see if we did what we think we did, we can do a phone search, same branch. Yes, here we go. Now we got all these 8800 phones. Maybe we're just pulling it from the call manager. Now it shows the user owner that was added to those phones, and also shows the Android phone, which was on there. Now I've also added some other tabs on here. One's a new agent. This is for creating TCX agents. And all you do is search the call manager for a user, then determine which department and what phone number you want to add to them. Hit apply button. Then it quickly fills in over here, and then you click the new agent button. It also has an owner change button. This is for MACD work. Here you can search for phones, you can search for users, then you can combine them or remove a user from a phone, simply adding the add or remove button over here. Anyway, this is just a quick demonstration showing what this new application does. Hope you enjoyed it.